towed a boat with it, we've towed a car trailer with it, I've put sheets of plywood, I've towed my family. But let's put it to the test and see what it can really do. This thing was meant to be purchased and raced in the Baja 1000 as is. Well, here I'm in 800 acres of conservation land owned by a friend of mine, and we're gonna put it to the test and see if it's actually as fun as it's supposed to be. So I bought this thing thinking I was gonna be severely disappointed, especially with the price tag. It's just so much money for a Ford pickup truck. It's not just a Ford pickup truck. This thing has done everything I've needed it to do, and it has not disappointed me even once. So today we have 800 acres of land behind me owned by a friend of mine. We're gonna take this Raptor and put it to the test and see if it's really as fun as it's supposed to be. All right, seatbelts on?
No, not yet. Jeez.
So we're gonna hit mode. No. I think we're gonna try for mud sand, actually. So with this gas suspension, the suspension is supposed to be super soft. Like we can go over everything. This is actually the softest off-road vehicle I've ever been in.
Go full speed.
How deep do you think that is? You know what we'll do? Let's ride through and we'll stick the window open and stick our heads out. If we get stuck, Brady's dad can pull us out.
It's sandy. Sandy. I wouldn't do it, it's very sandy.
Don't do it.
Don't do it, Sandy. You're tired of this stuff.
You're at the door on my. You're at the door on my end.
At the door? Don't go any more than this?
Windows up.
If we went full speed, we'd probably make it. I don't want to get water in the truck, and the responsible decision would be to not go through that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I've been stuck and had to ask too many people for favors before.
What would your wife say?
She's used to it. All right, we're going for it. Ready?
All right, no, wait till our windows are up.
Windows up.
Oh, geez.
Right. Set. Jeez, I don't know about this.
Send that.
Ready, set, go. That felt deep.
Whoa, baby! What the heck just happened?
Sick.
You know, just from experience, my hands are shaking, and it's just from experience. I've been stuck so many times. That was deeper than I thought. That felt deep.
Whoa, baby! What the heck just happened?
It looks nice and clean now.
What? The Raptor! Oh my God! What's nice too is there's a front camera and a back camera, yeah.
So when you're like climbing rocks, you can actually see the rocks on the front camera.
That's sweet.
Yeah. It's already recording. Just go over here.
Do you want me? Just go with me. See if this is good in the mud.
I want to get like these tires spinning, so go low, so it's like if you can go right here, you can get both tires, okay?
Dad, you think you're so funny. Logan, look at me.
Oh, my camera!
I just got, David said we know what's coming, but he won't get us. Look at this. Look at this tire. Literally just soaked me right in the face, in the arms, in the eyes. It hurts.
It couldn't be a better shot into the earlobe. Jeez. Nothing on you? You knew, as you knew me. You know me too well. That's why. Try to get on that rock. Okay. That far one.
Oh, I got this.
That's already recording. Who's the most coordinated between the two of you?
Probably me.
Here you go. All right, when you're there and the truck is in the water, do like this so you can see yourself in the truck in the water.
That sounds good.
Ready to go too deep. Well, that was an absolute blast. That Ford Raptor is absolutely the most fun truck I've ever owned. I have 3 great videos coming up next, all in my background. I'm going to give you a quick hint, but it's a blurred background intentionally, so make sure to subscribe down below to check out the videos on my, I'll just tell you, my T-Bird, my 50,000 mile Camaro, and that truck bed is off of Cummins for a reason. So make sure to subscribe to find out why. You can follow me on all of my social media, Flying Wheels, down below in the links in the descriptions. Click on the direct links and start following us on all my other stuff. Now let's get this thing washed. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Adios.